नमस्कार। सहज होमियो शिक्षा वीडियो नंबर 32। Now we shall discuss about a very deep medicine for chronic diseases and very essential. It is Piper sulphuris calcareum. In short, Piper sulph or Piper just. It is soric, syphilitic and tubercular. Mainly syphilitic. This medicine is prepared from oyster shell white part with sulfur burnt. As a result, calcium sulfide is prepared. This calcium sulfide is Piper sulph. So, this is a medicine derived from animal source through some chemical conversion. So, it is unique in nature that it is a combination of organic substance and inorganic substance. In this respect, this is very unique. The main theme of this medicine is hypersensitive. Just one word to explain all the features of this medicine. Hypersensitive or oversensitive, mentally and physically. This person is very much touchy, mentally and physically. Any kind of hurt to the body suppurates. This suppuration can be cured by Piper. This person is very chilly. For dry, cold wind, he cannot tolerate. Any kind of pain he cannot tolerate. The characteristics of the pain is very peculiar. It is sticking pain, fish bone sensation, or any sticking fish bone sensation or any sticking, and the suppurated pus having a peculiar odor like rotten or decomposed cheese. This is the criteria of this drug, or in short, the drug fixer. Another thing, the patient of Piper is sweaty, day and night sweats without any relief. Mentally, he is very ferocious. He can kill anybody, having the tendency to kill a person who offends him. On the other hand, an alternative symptom is sad and weeping. Others about mind is very quick. thirsty, hurried, speaking, drinking, etc. Extremely irritating as he is mentally very sensitive. Discharge from any source is like a rotten or decomposed cheese. Leukorrhea, copious, offensive, so much order permeates the room. Catarrhal condition. As the patient is very sensitive to cold, so he is always in a catarrhal state. Catarrh of nose, ear, throat, larynx, chest. Chorea, much discharge, sneezing for every cold. First, watery, discharge, finally, thick, yellow, offensive, like discharge, decomposed, siege, or so. Bladder also catarrhal, urine with mucopurulent deposit, ulcers, hardened, oil of bladder, no power to expel urine, paresis, that is partial paralytic state, burning, constant urging, discharge white, CG materials. Why the patient is so sensitive? Because the nerve is acted by this medicine, that is, the patient of this medicine attacked nerve so much that he is very sensitive. Pain is intolerable. Inflamed part feels sore and bruised, cannot bear to touch of hand or even clothes or even air. That is, any part becomes inflamed or sore or bruised cannot be touched. Very sensitive to touch. Sweat day and night without relief, like mercurus. Profuse, offensive, easy on any exertion, either mental or physical. Antidotes, sensitive nerves of mercury, that is fever, antidotes, mercury. Psychotic wart, sensation of splinter, that is stick sensation in urethra, constriction. It is similar to nitric acid, another important medicine. Very silly, that is, I told you, foreign body removal is an important matter of this medicine. Any foreign body in your body can be removed by this medicine. Another medicine is there, that is silica. This medicine inflamed the part around foreign body and suppurates and ejects the body outwards. Also, at the same time, cures the sore. But it is very dangerous to use in case of lung tubercle. Never to be used in that state, because this tubercle, if suppurated, then a danger may come for life. That's why the danger medicine, fever, sulfur and silica. Always remember, three medicines are very dangerous for tubercle formed in lung. suppuration, already been told, in any type of hurt on the body, suppurates. Abscess can be cured without suppuration, at least 6 potency. Any kind of abscess and boils can be cured. But after opening, this medicine may not be used. Another medicine, calcareous salt, can be used for abscess that is opened and pus is penetrating through a hole. This medicine is right-sided medicine. At night, he is sleepless, and at morning, unfreshed, dreams of fire. Modalities: cold, dry wind, winter, cold wind draft. Any part of the body is exposed to cold, it aggravates. Least uncovering, touch, noise, exertion of any kind. Night, mercury lying on painful side. Amelioration are better from warm or heat or rough to heat. Moist heat, damp weather is better for fever. Causes: dry, cold wind, injury, mercury, suppressed eruption. Potency 3x, 6, 12 to open the abscess, but for others 30 or 200, 1m, etc. Relationship: complementary, aconite, spongia, silicea, and iodine, very similar to nitric acid. Thank you.